Hakuchinga kw'ekiterane ky'abarokore ekimaze ebiro bino mu Kyayiboma aho muri Mbarara Minisita Bright Ruramera amashabara abanyadini okwegesa abantu obutakugira mu kushaba konka kwereka abakore by'entunguka ebiraba kwere kutungura amaka gabo.
But you know kwemuka.
People who fear God fear to be ashamed.
Abantu abakunda Mukama banga corruption.
People who love God hate corruption.
Bango ushambani.
They hate fornication.
Bango wibi.
They hate theft.
Bango kwitana.
They hate killing one another.
Banga ebintu byona ebiragire Mukama yatuteriwa bukuratira.
They hate everything evil and only follow the commandments of the Lord.
Na bwecho nyenda kusima abantu mwena ba crusaders.
I want to appreciate all of you people of God who have come on this crusade
to renew our faith.
Habiriho no kumashana hagati y'abari kwenda intebe yo mwishengero kazi bwa Mbarara City kandi aba minister abashabira batabaganisa mu abantu.
Do you know? Mukunda beremu na president yasharamu ngo kishayi cyanyashara ahikuruga yo ninduganya shara no kuzarwa.
The president decided that the airstrip of Nyachara
ekorwe ekishayi cyenyonyi cyanyashara cyazakora twatunga emirimo.
It is no longer an airstrip, it is going to become an airport.
Yes. So bantu mwe okono mukishoko kubanza kasinga karuru.
The first blessing I won the election.
Okwakabiri president yaza kuleta entunguka Mbarara City yatukorera shayi. Okuzigisa incumbent yecho tikikaba hoga. Nanga wansingi so singi serukumi. Igana bibiri
200
ahabinkozera mu stage
of the things I've done to this
blessing.
And the president has never uncovered the one who sits in the parliament is Rita. If you steal, never have a long hand.
And we have our internal party processes.
Every
party has got its rules and different ideologies.
Aruko yeshara za hamheru Bishop Nathan Ibrahimu asimira abantu kandi yabashaba kuhamera mu kwishiriza.
Your days of trouble are over. The days of sorrow are over. The days of panicking are over.
Enkuyanje y'abantu niyishiro mu kushaboku kandi bingi bareberwaho bari kwehaye haruhanga ahagati yo kwimisana kuramya. Gasha kwa Ere Akiza.